In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom ringtone on your iPhone. So I'm going to show you how we can use a song as our ringtone using Garageband. Now, the very first thing you need to do is just ensure that you have Garageband installed as an app. Now, this usually just comes included with your iPhone, but if you don't already have this installed, you can download it for free on the App Store. So once you have Garageband installed, you can just go and open up the app. So once you're in the app, you need to scroll across and select the option for audio recorder. Now from this page, click on the settings wheel in the top right hand side and then click on metronome and counting. Now go and turn off visual counting and also turn off counting as well, and then go and press done. You can then click on this small plus icon in the top right hand side of the screen, click on section A, and then go and turn on automatic and press done in the top right hand side. You then need to click on the blue triangle next to the record button, and that should turn it into this white color. Now in the top left hand side, you need to click on this grid icon and that should convert it into a microphone. Now click on the snail icon next to settings in the top right, and then we're going to click on files. Now what you can do is go and download a song to your phone, and this song is the song we're going to be using for our ringtone. So if you haven't already downloaded a song already, then you could always use a website such as Pixabay, and this is a website you can use to download free music onto your phone. So I've already got the website up here, and let's say I wanted to download this song. You can just click on the download icon next to it and go and press download. So once that's been downloaded, you can open back up GarageBand and then just go and click on that square icon again in the top left hand side. You can then click on the snail icon and press files once again. Click on browse items from the files app, and you should be able to see any of your MP3 sounds from this list. So I'm just going to click on this one like so. And once it appears in this list, you just need to hold down on the soundtrack and drag your finger over to the right, and you can see this will drag it into GarageBand. Now what we can do from here is first move the soundtrack all the way to the left hand side, and then you can use the edges to either make this shorter or longer, and anything that's still left in this track is what's going to be playing as your ringtone. So once you're finished, you can click on this arrow in the top left hand side and click on my songs, and you may get a pop-up asking where to save this. Just click on save to my iPhone, and here you'll see your song that we just created. You can go and hold your finger down on this song. You can then click on share, and then you can go and select ringtone. You can then press export in the top right hand side, and then you can go and press use sound as, and you can select ringtone. Now you can also select it by opening up the settings. You can scroll down and click on sound and haptics, then click on ringtone, and you'll also be able to find your ringtone from this list, and you can simply go and select it from here.